Welcome to Vavikar Eye Institute. In an eventful journey of 16 years, we have distinguished ourselves as an organization dedicated to the pursuit of quality and excellence in ophthalmology. Throughout this evolution, we have remained at the forefront of organizations committed to superior eye care delivery through our diligence and innovation. It has been our mission to provide eye care services of international standards to all our patients regardless of their social or economical status. No effort has been spared towards fulfillment of this goal while planning the infrastructure of the institute. Ample consideration has also been given to the safety and comfort of the patients while ensuring maximum efficiency on the part of the staff. Outpatient clinics are laid out to ensure minimum wastage of patients' time and energy. Through 2 screening rooms, 8 workup rooms and 4 instrument rooms, the optometrists ensure speedy evaluation of patients before they are seen by the consultants in one of the 5 consulting rooms. There are 4 counseling rooms where patients are explained about their problem as well as available treatment options for the same. Additional services like contact lens clinic and low vision aids clinic help patients with special needs. Availability of optical and medical shop on the same floor greatly adds to the patient's convenience. Cutting-edge refractive surgeries like custom LASIK, epi-LASIK, implantable contact lenses and others are now constituted under one area where right from initial evaluation to final surgery will be available to patients in a classy, lounge-like ambience. This area houses 5 operation theaters along with patient holding ward and centralized store and sterilization department. With utmost focus on patient safety, the operation theater complex has some advanced features like jointless stainless steel walls and roof in cataract operation theater, antimicrobial polyurethane coating on walls with jointless roof in other operation theaters, jointless epoxy resin flooring to further eliminate chances of microbial contamination, laminar airflow with positive pressure to provide ultra-clean room environment, spacious daycare rooms for comfortable stay at the time of surgery. Wavikar Eye Institute has a well-stocked library and a fully equipped multimedia room which helps its consultants keep abreast with the latest trends in the treatment of eye ailments. We also have a 54-seat auditorium to hold meetings for the doctors as well as for the patients. With the inauguration of Indirabai Charitable Wing, patients from underprivileged sectors can now avail the same treatment options including cataract and other surgery at a fraction of the cost. With advanced amenities, Vishwanath Eye Bank will spread awareness about eye donation and will have facilities of retrieval and transplantation of corneas. We are confident that combining this state-of-the-art infrastructure with a team of skilled and dedicated consultants will create a benchmark institute where every patient who walks in will walk out with a solution to his problems. Thank you.